Alright, right here we have another Bluefin box. I got this a long time ago. I know what's in it, just haven't had a chance to open it. And I mean, I got this like 3 months ago. If I look on the shipping date's here on the label. Shipping date, August. And we are in almost February in 2020. This is August 2019. And if you take a look at this, that's definitely P. Bandai box right there. I got a couple of P. Bandai kits. I got the real grade Tallgeese 3. And it really doesn't show anything on here, so we'll have to take a look at it. But it's the Tallgeese with blue instead of the normal red. And underneath it, we have something I wanted. And since Bluefin started selling some P. Bandai, boy, that's a big box in there. Let me get this one out of the way. I'm getting shipping boxes all over the place in here because I'm opening up like 5 or 6 of these. Right here we have the Shilong, the P. Bandai Shilong from Endless Waltz. And it doesn't really show anything about it on the box because P. Bandai kits tend to be this way. And you can tell it's a master grade kit because there isn't just 4 screws in here. We have, it looks like, deep stickers. No, those look like water slide decals because this is something, if you build it, you want to paint it. And there's the shield. Nice glowy effect part. I bet you hit that with a black light and it just lights the room up. Inner frame is definitely there. Haven't seen polycaps yet. We have a cable in here that looks like it's got copper core, so it's a wire. We'll see what that's for in a minute. And we got another one. That's a tube. Yep, that's a tube. Nice ribbed tube on that. Let's see if I can get that up close to the camera and we can see it. Yeah, you can. Nice ribbing on that. I just got some sort of message. Probably time to go to bed. Okay, looks like we do have some polycaps in here, but not many. Nice looking plastic. We have some stickers right there. And it has a big sword, and you can see pieces of the sword in here. Some of this definitely would look better with some weathering or some painting at the minimum. And we have directions, and we'll start with the decal guide. So they're decals. The decal guide also has the weapons on it, so you can paint the weapons. I mean, build the weapons. And here you go, a look at him. He's got one heck of a big sword. The ribboned cable is to go between him and the shield. So when he throws the shield, but we haven't found where the wire goes yet. I haven't seen any LEDs or anything on this. We don't assume there's LEDs. So let's take a look at the kit. Quick rundown on snipping things. And it looks a lot like Gundam Barbatos when you're building this at the start. I don't see anywhere where that wire goes, and it's looking here like, hey, you know, you can get the Death Scythe, you can get Wing, and you can get him and put all 3 of them on bases together. Okay? Well, I don't have the 2 versions of those. I just have this one from P. Bandai. I'm sure we could find them. I still haven't found that wire. Talks about the shield, how to transform. I'll find the wire eventually. I'm not going to worry about it too much. And paint guide right here, which could be translated without too much trouble. It looks like a pretty fun kit to build. It looks pretty decent. Probably these 2 are probably the only real P. Bandai kits I will ever get. Probably won't put it in the box correctly because, well, I'm that way. Nope, got it back in the box. I was doing it right. Okay, so there we go. This is from Endless Waltz. I know the Heavy Arms kit is out there and available. You can get it too from Bluefin. Back in a bit. All right, another Hobby Link Japan box. I'm going through my backlog of ordered kits, trying to clean this room up so it is usable. That's been one of my big problems, is this room here. just has not been usable. I've had to focus on work far too much, and the YouTube channel for work has actually grown quite a bit. It shows up on searches really, really fast these days. So I've gotten somewhere. There aren't many in here. We got 3 in here, maybe 4. There's 4. It's not a big box. I got one more real big box left, but the battery on the camera just isn't going to hold up for it. Let's pop this open and see what we got. So we got to do it quick. The battery's dying. I even charged it all day. We have the SDCS Cross Silhouette Mackin-Kaiser kit. Ooh, I like the gold right away. Because I got some of these a little while ago, and I didn't like what they looked like on the inside. I opened the boxes and went, what? Why did you do that? They're supposed to be blue. They're supposed to be other colors. But there's no blue. And I don't like that sword having a huge sticker on it. But yeah, it looks like it's... I do like the fact they did the gold. Now, if they would only do the... Yeah. If they would only do some of the other colors correctly. Like, look. You look on the box, and he's all silverish, and then it's white. Like his head. You look in here, it's white. So, that's what I didn't like about these. We have Getter Dragon here, Shin Getter. And let's see what he looks like. We got some nice colors for this one. Yeah, why do they give this one good colors and they don't the other one? I don't get it. And there's not so many stickers. Oh, wow. Look at those stickers. Lots of little ribbon stickers. That's interesting. But they gave this one good colors and they did another one. I mean, the silver is silver. On the other one, it's white. I don't get it. He's got lots and lots. Yeah, I think I might learn how to fill those gaps with oil paints instead of those stickers. It might be easier, but it'll be hard to color match that. The stickers color match that. And the stickers aren't in bad locations, so it may not be too bad. We'll take a look at that one in a little bit. Set that aside. And then we got our last 2 here. These are the battleships from Yamato. Ooh, the guns look nice on this little guy. Clear parts. I don't know what those clear parts are for. Oh, clear parts are so you can build other kits and link them and display them all together. This is the kit right there, and you can see those guns are molded really nicely. And once it's built, you don't let your daughters play with it. And lots of good stuff on the whole. That's really cool. It shows you right there what you can do with the colors. I have those kits. It's the Andromeda. I forgot what that one is. It's the carrier and this guy. And I do have the carrier over there. And the Andromeda is sitting right here. So I do have the Andromeda. I think that's what that is. We'll find out when we open it. Or it's just 2 of these. No, I got 2 of these. Okay? So I got 2 of these guys. So we've seen what's in this box. But it's cool that it came with, yeah, same thing. It's cool that it came with the clear thing so you can display all 3 of them together. All right, got to make it quick. Battery's dying.